Okay, kids, so let's start with coast and water bodies. So we will mark first all the gulf and lake. So this is Gulf of Kutch. This is Gulf of Khambat. This is Gulf of Mannar. Here we have Park Strait. Here between Andaman and Nicobar. Between Andaman and Nicobar, it is Andaman Sea. Here if you see below Mahanadi, already one dot is given. Mark a dot again on that, and that becomes your lake Chilka. And here we mark lake Wular. Now we will do labeling, all labeling together in the last. Now when we start coast from the tip of river Godavari till the meeting point of Krishna and Tungabhadra, we are going to mark Konkan coast. Now from Konkan coast till tip of river Kaveri, we are going to mark Kanara coast, and from tip of this till that Kanyakumari, we have Malabar coast. So kids, when they say coast, mark a very single line. If they say coastal plain, like Konkan coastal plain, Kanara coastal plain, Malabar coastal plain, then we will mark little broad. On the eastern coast, we have from here till here Northern Sirkar. Now from here up to the tip of Kanyakumari, we have Coromandel coast. But again, if they would have said mark Coromandel coastal plain, then we would have done little broader. Now before I mark Indo-Gangetic plain or Gangetic plains, let me show you one thing which is not part of your marking, but this is just for your reference, that this is Nepal. So when you do marking, your marking should not go in Nepal. Now here if you see, this is Bangladesh. So make sure your marking doesn't go in Bangladesh. So let us draw a line here. Now we draw one line between the border of India and Nepal, being careful that my marking doesn't enter Nepal. Now we draw a line between the border of India and Bangladesh, making sure your marking doesn't go in Bangladesh. And here. So this entire is Gangetic plains or northern plains. Now further here Thar Desert. So these are your coast, plains and desert. So now let us see the labeling of the markings what we have done for the physical features. Lake Wular, Thar Desert, Gulf of Kutch, Gulf of Khambat, Konkan Coast, Kanara Coast, Malabar Coast, Gulf of Mannar, Park Strait, Coromandel Coast, Northern Sirkar, Lake Chilka, Gangetic Plains, Lake Vular, Thar Desert, from Andaman till Nicobar in between, Andaman Sea.